burger 还是什么嘞？我有 order。
Fried, loaded fried。
你在 order 东西吗嘞？
啊？
你 order 东西？
他们才是 order。
买肉啊。
order 最便宜啊，burger 了，最便宜吧还是很贵，吓死我。
这个嘞 ，What's this？
它是 combo 的一起
combo chicken burger，
薯条，哇
French fries， cheese。就是录整个，现在我
那个人在那边。
对。
很像咖喱味。
它有一个茶金的 area 哈，它这啊在那边，那去那边还是
没有吗？
没有了咯 ，remove。所以找插头。啊？
我们在装几啊
？3后面还有时间，不要担心。7:45哈，这样就可以睡安一点了。啊？哦。你要massage啊？可以啊。嗯。
啊？
对对。我在。1分钟有吗？
有。你可以去找茶几。
我去尿尿一下啊。
飞机也到了。
Zone 3啊，是吗 ？Zone 3。 还不到，那你可以 try 吗？真的。Singapore pilot. Thank you. Thế về là có Seven. Bao nói sẽ
Hay chậm hả?
你要吃外面还是里面？
在外面。
OK， 你是走你要站出来的。那sorry。
听到了。
Very good evening once again, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome aboard AirAsia flight EK5437 bound for Penang. The commander of this flight is Captain Adam, assisted by Senior First Officer Hosea, and I'm Haris, your senior cabin crew for today's flight. And together with me in the cabin are cabin crew Stephanie, Yudi, and Angel. Flight type to Penang, please switch off all portable electronic devices. Mobile phones in flight mode may only be activated and used once fastened spot sign above you is switched off. Smoking and the use of e-cigarette is strictly prohibited on board. If you need any assistance, please do not hesitate to call us. Thank you for your kind attention.
Features of this aircraft. As your safety is our concern and the safety features may differ from other aircraft, we ask for your full attention to the cabin crew in front of you. This is your seat belt. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle and tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the seatbelt sign is on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. Should an oxygen mask like this drop from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care. Your life vest is under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Clip on the waistband and pull it tight. At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate life vest. Do not inflate your life vest until you are at the exit, as this would slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube for further inflation. The light comes on when in contact with water, and here's a whistle to attract attention. Evacuation slides are located at all exits. Please note where the emergency exits on the aircraft are located. They are being pointed out to you now, bearing in mind that the nearest exit may be behind you. In the event of a landing on water, slide rafts are located at all exits except exit B. Except exit B. During evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low and follow the path lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of this safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers seated next to an emergency exit are requested to study the operation of these exits in the safety card. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the toilet will activate the smoke alarm. Thank you for your attention. Ladies and gentlemen, the cabin lights will be dimmed for takeoff. If you wish to read, please switch on your reading lights. Thank you.
See you later. Bye. Bye.
Bye bye.